One of the key drivers for bringing BigChange in is getting prepared for the future, and we needed to be aligned with a software package that could take that extra growth. AMD was started about 50 years ago. That evolved over time into a project business doing M&E fit-out works for many of the major high street banks and across a number of sectors: hospitality, retail, education. I've been here since June. We've seen a 400% increase on turnover, so we're looking to get ready for the next stage. The challenges were growing too fast, too quick, especially with an older style service. The nice thing that I found in the past with BigChange is that you don't have to change your process, you can change the system to fit the processes you want, and that really helps cope with the new demand that came in. What I like about BigChange is it's very editable. If a client says to us, we need to find this piece of information out about our sites, within 5 minutes we can edit the worksheet, edit the form, and get that information back. One thing BigChange has done is gives us that client journey from inception all the way through to invoice that runs through the system. It's been a relief to them. We've seen just this week, one of our large clients, we invoice them on a monthly basis. That invoice would generally take around about a day to complete in terms of itemising the jobs. It was done in about 20 minutes yesterday. So we see quite quick savings, and as soon as my team see those savings, they understand why BigChange has been brought in. Also, with everything that's logged on the system, it gives us a nice audit trail all the way through. Whereas before, sometimes you'd go hunting for a piece of paper that you hoped existed in a folder somewhere, and it just streamlines the whole process. AMD FM, as part of the AMD group, we see substantial growth. We want to move to being one of the top providers in the UK of facilities management, and I think our package and our bespoke offering will certainly lend to that. With the help of BigChange, obviously, but just delivering that end-to-end service that runs smoothly and as efficient as possible, and most importantly, is a great service for our clients. BigChange gives us the confidence now to take on clients that we might not take on previously, and now I have the confidence in my team and with the system that any client that comes to us with any issue, there's a workaround or there's a way of incorporating it using BigChange.